Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best car gadgets and accessories on the market right now. Whether you're looking for practical solutions to everyday driving problems or unique ways to upgrade your car, we've got you covered. You can find links to each of these products in the description below. So let's get started. At number 5, we have the Fidacy Car Interior Duster Detail Brush Cleaning Gel Kit. This affordable cleaning kit is a must-have for anyone who takes pride in keeping their car's interior spotless. The kit includes a variety of tools, such as a soft microfiber duster brush, a dense cosmetic-style brush, an air vent detail brush, and even a cleaning gel that easily gets into nooks and crannies. It's designed to cater to every little crevice in your vehicle. From dashboards to air vents and even those hard-to-reach spots between seats. The build quality is impressive for the price. The brushes are made from soft, scratch-free materials that are safe to use on sensitive surfaces like plastic, leather, and even your car's display screen. The cleaning gel is particularly handy for picking up dust and crumbs in tight spaces. Performance-wise, it does an excellent job for light to moderate cleaning tasks. Though it may not be robust enough for heavy-duty grime, for under $8, the value is undeniable. It's a great starter kit for car enthusiasts or anyone who wants an easy way to maintain their car's interior. However, the cleaning gel can lose effectiveness after a few uses, and the brushes might not be ideal for heavy dirt. Overall, this kit is perfect for casual users who want to keep their car looking tidy without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 4 is the Your Sunglass Holder for Car. This is the budget option on our list, but don't let the price fool you. It offers some serious convenience. This pack includes 2 magnetic leather sunglass holders that clip securely onto your car's sun visor. The design is sleek and minimalist, blending seamlessly with most car interiors. The high-quality leather wrap not only looks great, but also protects your sunglasses from scratches. The standout feature here is the magnetic flap, which makes it incredibly easy to use with one hand. You can quickly store or retrieve your sunglasses without taking your eyes off the road. It's also versatile enough to hold other small items, like parking tickets or toll cards. Despite its simplicity, the Your sunglass holder is surprisingly sturdy and stays in place even on bumpy roads. For just $7.98, this is a fantastic value, especially since you get 2 holders in the pack. It's ideal for anyone who's tired of losing or damaging their sunglasses in the car. The only downside is that it may not fit thicker visor designs perfectly, and the magnetic closure might weaken over time. But overall, it's a practical and stylish accessory for any driver. At number 3, we have the Hotter Trunk Organizer. If you're tired of your trunk turning into a chaotic mess, this organizer is here to save the day. With 2 large compartments and 6 extra mesh pockets, it provides ample storage space for everything from groceries to tools and sports equipment. The adjustable Velcro strips give you the flexibility to use it fully expanded or folded halfway, depending on your needs. The build quality is excellent, with durable Oxford cloth and reinforced stitching that can withstand heavy use. The thickened base panel and sturdy handles allow it to hold up to 60 pounds, making it perfect for larger items. Another big plus is its collapsible design, which lets you fold it flat when not in use, great for freeing up space. For $12.99, the Hotter Trunk Organizer is a steal. It's a must-have for families, road trippers, or anyone who wants to keep their car organized. The only minor downside is that it doesn't have a lid, so your items may slide around a bit if you're making sharp turns. But overall, it's a highly functional and affordable solution for trunk organization. In second place is the Listen Retractable Car Charger. Charging multiple devices on the go has never been easier or more efficient. This 69W car charger features 4 ports, including a 30W pre-USB-C port and a 12W pre-USB-A port, allowing you to fast charge up to 4 devices simultaneously. The retractable cable extends up to 31.5 inches, making it perfect for passengers in both the front and back seats. The design is sleek and compact, with a 180-degree rotating plug. that fits snugly into your car's cigarette lighter socket. The military-grade materials ensure durability and stability, even on bumpy roads, an excellent feature for SUV and truck owners. The charger's universal compatibility means it works with a wide range of devices, from iPhones and Android phones to tablets and even AirPods. At $16.98, this charger offers fantastic value for its versatility and performance. It's ideal for tech-savvy drivers or families who need to keep multiple devices charged during long trips. However, it should be noted that this charger is strictly for power supply and doesn't support data transfer or CarPlay. Overall, it's a reliable and efficient accessory that any modern driver will appreciate. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Drop Stop, the original patented car seat gap filler. If you've ever lost your phone, keys, or snacks in the dreaded gap between your car seat and center console, this product is a game changer. The Drop Stop provides 100% gap coverage, attaching securely to your seatbelt catch and moving with your seat so you never have to readjust it. Made from high-grade neoprene, the Drop Stop is durable, flexible, and designed to last a lifetime. It's universal, fitting most vehicles seamlessly, and comes in a single color that blends in perfectly with the shadowy gap. Each package includes 2 drop stops, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger side, as well as a slide-free pad and an LED credit card light as bonus gifts. At $24.99, it's the most expensive product on our list, but it's worth every penny for the convenience and peace of mind it provides. It's perfect for anyone who spends a lot of time in their car and hates fishing for lost items. The only downside is the higher price point, but its practicality and premium build quality make it a no-brainer for the top spot on our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.